roasting my animations from art school. This was the funnest character animation I ever did in my life right here. This is from my senior film BTW. Looking back, I don't like it, but I learned a lot. Yes, it's a banana horse. I was really into bananas and smoothies it. I got roasted in class for this. Here comes Banana Horse again. Even this time with a friend. Dinner's ready.